No, he hasn't retired yet. But the Master Blaster is set for his next innings. Sachin Tendulkar will be wearing the hat of a politician. He is a government-appointed, government-pushed member of the upper house of Parliament. At least he will be in some time from now.
Sachin Tendulkar's meeting with Congress President Sonia Gandhi at 10 Janpath on Thursday morning fueled speculation that the Master Blaster was beginning a political innings. And it wasn't too long before Sachin's nomination for the Rajya Sabha got the presidential nod.
It has always been a practice to nominate and recommend to the President names of eminent people from different walks and fields of life, and these names have always had great popular support.
For parliamentarians, the possible entry of one of India's greatest sporting heroes into the upper house has been welcomed.
सचिन तेंदुलकर देश के बहुत बड़े खिलाड़ी हैं जिस पर हम सबों को गर्व है.
हाँ, Tendulkar deserves it. Why not? Yes, it would look very nice if he comes to Parliament. Most welcome.
The last sportsperson in the Rajya Sabha was Dara Singh, and now Sachin joins other athletes who also joined politics after they hung up their boots.
Parliament is a serious business, but as far as Sachin is concerned, he is a great player, and he, looking at his contribution towards the nation, I think the citizens of this country, they still want Sachin to play in the middle of the ground.
A cricketer who has practically all the records to his name, Sachin had recently spoken about his desire to serve the country.
There are personal milestones and all that, but personal milestones are created along that path where you've got a bigger goal, and my bigger goal is to serve the nation.
For sports fans, the possible entry of Sachin into politics could mean curtains on a 23-year-old career, and the debate over whether he has made the right choice will remain open. Bureau Report, Times Now.